When life gives you limes, you don't make excuses. You grow a lime tree and let it sharpen your patience. Lime trees are some of the most underestimated plants in home gardening. Smaller fruit, smaller leaves, often smaller trees. But don't let that fool you. Lime trees are precision instruments. They turn sunlight, water, and minerals into sharp, aromatic fruit that can wake up an entire dish with a single squeeze. At their core, lime trees are evergreen citrus trees that thrive on rhythm and balance. They want sunlight the way a solar panel wants a clear sky. They want soil that drains well because lime roots hate sitting in water. And they want consistent care, not neglect, not obsession, just steady attention. Historically, lime trees played a surprisingly important role. Citrus was prized for preventing disease during long sea voyages, preserving food, and supporting trade. Limes became so associated with sailors that they literally reshaped global nutrition practices. Entire agricultural systems evolved around citrus long before modern logistics existed. Today, lime trees have found a new role as a gateway plant for modern gardeners. They grow well in containers, adapt easily to patios and balconies, and fit naturally into urban farming setups. You don't need acres of land, you need sunlight, airflow, and an understanding of what the tree is communicating. This is where many people struggle: watering. Lime trees dislike soggy roots. Overwatering is the fastest way to turn a healthy tree into a stressed one. If the soil still feels moist a couple inches below the surface, wait. Roots need oxygen just as much as they need water. Light is the second deal breaker. Lime trees need 6 to 8 hours of direct sun per day. Indoors, that often means a bright south-facing window or supplemental lighting. Think of sunlight as fuel. Without enough of it, the tree survives, but fruit production slows or stops. Now let's talk fruit. Lime trees don't rush. They flower when temperature, light, and nutrients align. Not every flower becomes a lime, and that's not failure, it's efficiency. The tree is constantly balancing energy, stress, and long-term survival. From a wellness perspective, lime trees offer more than citrus. Gardening has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and support emotional well-being. There's something calming about caring for a living system that responds to patterns instead of notifications. From a technology and innovation perspective, gardening is evolving fast. AI, plant identification, climate-aware care schedules, and personalized insights are closing the gap between beginners and experienced growers. Platforms like RootJoy help gardeners understand what their plants are signaling, often before problems become visible, so care becomes proactive instead of reactive. If you're growing a lime tree at home, experimenting with container gardening, or building an urban farm, clarity matters. RootJoy helps you identify plants instantly, understand their needs, and follow care guidance tailored to your environment without guesswork. You can explore it all at rootjoy.app. Because lime trees aren't just about fruit, they're about balance, precision, and learning that small, well-timed inputs can create outsized results, both in the garden and in life.